Welcome to IT Learning, the place where everyone can learn the basics of the IT world. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of networking. It's a topic that might seem complex at first, but trust me, once you get the hang of it, it opens up a whole new realm of possibilities. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or just getting started, grasping the basics of how computers talk to each other is super important. Networking is the backbone of our digital lives, and understanding it can give you a significant edge. Think about it. Every time you browse the internet, stream a video, or even just send an email, you're relying on networks. These networks are the invisible threads that connect our devices, enabling seamless communication and data transfer. Imagine data packets traveling at lightning speed across various nodes and servers to reach their destination. It's like a digital highway, and knowing how it works can be incredibly empowering. Understanding the different components that make these networks tick can help you troubleshoot problems, optimize your setup, and just generally feel more confident in the digital world. From routers to switches, each piece plays a crucial role in maintaining a stable and efficient network. For instance, knowing how to use network diagnostic tools can save you a lot of time and frustration. These tools can help you identify issues, monitor performance, and ensure that your network is running smoothly. So let's get started with a foundational piece of networking equipment, the network hub. This device is essential for connecting multiple computers in a local network, allowing them to communicate with each other effortlessly. A network hub acts as a central point where data from one device is distributed to all other connected devices. It's simple yet effective, making it a great starting point for anyone new to networking. Setting up a network hub is straightforward, and it can significantly improve your home or office network's efficiency. So grab your gear and let's dive deeper into the world of networking. In the simplest terms, a network hub is like a central connecting point for devices on a network. Imagine a kitchen hub where you plug in all your appliances. That's kind of what a network hub does for your computers, printers, and other devices. It doesn't get fancy with analyzing data or making decisions about where things should go. A network hub's job is straightforward. Receive data packets from one device and transmit those packets to all other devices connected to it. Now, you might be thinking, if the hub just sends data everywhere, isn't that inefficient? Well, you're not wrong. But network hubs served a purpose, especially back in the early days of networking. They provided a simple and affordable way to connect multiple devices and allow them to communicate. For small home or office networks, a hub could be enough to share files, printers, and even an internet connection. Let's break down exactly how a network hub does its thing. A network hub is a fundamental piece of networking hardware that connects multiple devices in a local area network, or LAN. Think of it as a central point where all the devices in a network converge. First, when a device on the network wants to send data, it sends it to the hub in the form of data packets. These data packets contain not only the information being sent, but also the address of the destination device. Next, the hub amplifies the incoming signal to ensure it can reach all connected devices. This amplification is crucial because it helps maintain the integrity and strength of the signal as it travels through the network cables. Then, here's the key part. The hub doesn't care about the destination of the data. Unlike a switch or a router which directs data to a specific device, the hub operates on a simpler principle. It simply sends a copy of the data packet to every single device connected to it. This method is known as broadcasting. Every device on the network receives the data packet, regardless of whether it is the intended recipient or not. Finally, the intended recipient device recognizes its address in the data packet and accepts it while other devices discard the data. This process ensures that the correct device receives the information it needs while the rest of the network remains unaffected. However, this broadcasting method can lead to network inefficiencies, especially in larger networks, as it generates unnecessary traffic. Despite this, hubs are still useful in smaller networks where simplicity and cost-effectiveness are more important than efficiency. Section 5. A simple analogy, the busy office. Imagine an office with several people working in different cubicles. The network hub is like a mailroom clerk who receives all incoming mail and then makes copies of every single letter, distributing them to everyone in the office, regardless of who they're addressed to. It's not the most efficient system, as everyone receives irrelevant mail, but it gets the job done in a basic way. Section 6, hubs versus switches versus routers, a quick comparison. In this section, we'll break down the key differences between these three essential network devices, helping you understand their unique roles and functionalities. Now, it's important to understand that network hubs are pretty outdated for most modern networks. Hubs were once the backbone of early networking, but they have significant limitations. We have much more efficient options now, like network switches and routers. These devices have largely replaced hubs due to their superior performance and capabilities. Network switches. Switches are like smarter hubs. Unlike hubs, which broadcast data to all connected devices, switches are more selective. They learn the addresses of connected devices and only forward data packets to the intended recipient. This targeted approach not only improves security, but also enhances overall network efficiency. This significantly reduces network congestion. By minimizing unnecessary data traffic, switches ensure smoother and faster communication between devices. Routers are like the traffic directors of networks. They play a crucial role in managing data flow between different networks. They connect different networks together, like your home network to the internet, enabling seamless communication and data exchange, and make decisions about the best path for data to travel. Routers analyze various factors, such as network traffic and path availability, to determine the most efficient route for data packets. This ensures that your data reaches its destination quickly and reliably, even across complex network structures. Section 7. Pros and cons of network hubs. Let's be real, network hubs don't have many advantages in today's world. Simple to set up and use, can be very inexpensive. Inefficient data transmission leads to network congestion. No data security or privacy. Not suitable for modern high-speed networks. Section 8. Keep exploring the world of networks. So there you have it. A crash course on network hubs. While they might be considered relics of the past in many ways, understanding how they work gives you a foundational understanding of basic networking concepts. Remember, the world of technology is constantly evolving, so keep learning, keep exploring, and stay curious. To continue learning new IT knowledge, feel free to subscribe and leave a comment about which topic you'd like a video on.